You know what? When I was preparing for my campus placements, I had a big problem. There were hundreds of Java interview questions out there, but I did not know where to start from. There was not enough time to study everything deeply, and I wanted to understand the concepts, not just memorize the code. But time was running out, and I know a lot of you go through the same thing. So, you are also confused where to even begin, how to cover all the topics in limited time, what actually gets asked in interview. So I decided to create something that would make your preparation easier and more structured, something I wish I had back then. So I'm starting a core Java interview question series where we will go step by step, topic by topic, and master each area together. What you will get in this series. So we will pick one topic at a time from core Java, for example, strings, array, loops, recursion, linked list, etc. For each topic, I will explain important coding questions in a simple and clear way. I will walk you through the logic step by step and show you the best yet the simplest approach to solve it. So you won't just remember the answer, you will understand how to think. So what is coming in this series? So we will start with OOPS concepts, string exercises, array problems, data structures using Java, collection framework, access modifiers, exception handling, and many more. And you know the best part is at the end of the each video, I will ask you one question to do it yourself, and we will discuss the same question in the next video. So let's see our solution matches or not. So if you are serious about cracking Java interviews, this series is for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now, hit the bell icon and get ready to master core Java, one topic at a time. Let's go.